When you think about breakfast, lunch, and dinner, do you think about home cooked meals or do you usually think about fast food restaurants? The United States is ranked in the top 10 most obese countries in the world. The amount of the obese population keeps increasing each year. Obesity is the number one factor that can lead to health risks such as diabetes, heart disease, high blood pressure, certain cancers, and other chronic diseases. Implementing a healthy lifestyle can improve the quality of life by adding more years, reducing the risk of diseases, and improving overall health. Your body will feel much stronger and more energized. As a former athlete and 2-year Hosa Healthy Lifestyle competitor, I have been trained to eat a clean diet by a registered dietitian. With the help of an exercise professional, I've also learned many exercising methods and routines. At the end of this presentation, you will be able to learn about ways to start living a healthier life. Today, I will first discuss nutritional eating diets. Secondly, I will describe the importance of physical activities and exercising. As my third and final point, I will explain the essential need of drinking plenty of water. First, let's talk about nutritional diets and methods. The first step to living a healthy lifestyle is incorporating healthy eating habits. This consists of changing your diet to a nutritional one, like adding proteins, vegetables, and fruits. Your first thought might be, it's too hard, takes too much time, or it's too expensive. But in reality, eating healthy is much easier than you think. Forget about McDonald's dollar menu. In today's generation, we can easily Google a healthy recipe, go on Instagram accounts and find recipes, or buy a cookbook. There's endless delicious recipes that are easy and inexpensive. Locke Hughes from Mind Body Green states that if time is what you lack, then there's other alternatives to healthy eating like prep meals. Meal prepping is a method where you plan and prepare meals for a certain amount of days. According to the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services, choosing baked or grilled foods instead of fried is much healthier. Cut back on solid fats, sugary sweets, and desserts. Making half of your plate fruits and vegetables will give your body the minerals, and fiber it needs. Controlling portion size is very important. This will help to not overeat and reduce stomach aches. If you're looking for a snack, eat slices of your favorite fruits. Eating healthy is much easier than you think. Now that we've talked about nutritional diets and methods, we're going to discuss physical activities and exercising. Physical activity and exercising helps our body stay healthy. It even improves our overall well-being and quality of life. The Heart Association states that without physical activity, the body tends to lose strength, stamina, and the ability to function properly. Being active reduces the risk of many diseases, strokes, and obesity. Muscle strength is very important to work on because if not, then it will decrease and make it difficult to do everyday physical activities. Osteoporosis weakens the bones, which is why older people should exercise. Regardless of the age, exercising is very critical. Exercising not only benefits people physically, but mentally as well. Feeling stressed, mad, sad. The Mayo Clinic staff explains that physical activity stimulates various brain chemicals that may leave you feeling happier, more relaxed, and less anxious. Your daily energy improves, which can help you make any chore seem easy. Having trouble falling asleep at night? People who are physically active fall asleep faster and get a more peaceful sleep. Physical activity and exercising can range from a walk at the park to picking up weights at a gym. As long as you're active throughout the day, your body will feel much better. Now that we discussed nutritional diets and methods, physical activities and exercising, let's finally discuss drinking water. Drinking water is essential to keep our bodies balanced. Our body is about 60% water and our blood is 90% water. Not many people drink the sufficient amount of water they need every day. If weight loss is what you have in mind, then stop drinking those sugary drinks. Forget about Monsters, Red Bulls, Coca-Cola, and switch to water. Drinking water helps by not overeating, and physical activity performances last longer. Hydration affects your strength, power, and endurance when you work out. When someone doesn't drink enough water, their skin gets wrinkled and are more prone to skin disorders. Kidney filter fluids need more water to function properly. Drinking water reduces the risk of developing chronic kidney diseases, urinary tract infections, also known as UTIs, and other health conditions. Staying hydrated helps keep your body temperature regular. When one sweats, the body loses water. Body temperature rises if you don't hydrate with enough water. A decrease of blood pressure, hyperthermia, can occur if you drink enough water throughout the day. In other words, staying hydrated with water is very beneficial to live a happier and longer life. Make water your best friend. Everywhere you go, take water. After everything you do, drink water. In conclusion, I have informed you with ways to start living a healthier life. We have learned about nutritional eating diets, the importance of physical activities and exercising, and the essential need of drinking plenty of water. Living a healthier life doesn't have to be a chore. Have some fun with it. Add different colors to your plate. Cook something different, but healthy each time. Go on a hike with some friends. Go swimming with your kids. Take your dog out on a walk. Working out doesn't have to feel like a drag. Enjoy life and take care of yourself because, after all, you only live once.